Hello students, welcome for our English online class. Today we are going to learn what? We are learning English but not a textual English. We are learning today grammar. Yes, what we are learning? Grammar. So today's subject is grammar. Are you ready to learn? Yes. And what you will learn in the grammar? What you will learn in the grammar? You don't know. Yeah, module 10 you know? Yes, in your book module 10 is there, and in module 10 the next is topic is what? Joining words, and that you are going to learn today. Joining word means what? Okay, I'll ask you one question. See students, if your page or book or notebook or workbook tear, then what you will do? How you will join that book? You will take a glue, you will apply on that part, and you will stick it. Means you will join that page. Yes, no? So for joining or repairing, attaching the page to the workbook again, what you will use? Glue you will use. Some children are using Fevicol, no problem. Some are using stick. So here I am using glue. So glue you are using, and same way when we want to join two words, right? When we want to join two words or sentences or the things or the phrase, for joining that we need words, and that words are called joining words. Now here you also got the two names. You got the your real name is different. Your parents lovingly call you with the other name that is different. That is called pen name, right? So same way the joining word are also have the other words. What are that other words? Connecting word are calling, and some are calling conjunction. So joining words, connecting words, and conjunction all are the same. Okay, don't get confused. Joining words are also called connecting words, and connecting words are also called conjunction in grammatical language, right? So you understood what is today's topic? Joining words. And this, what is the work of the joining word? They join words or group of words or short sentences. Now you get a question, what Miss is talking about the words? So what are these words? So these words are, you don't know what are these words? Yes, what are these words? You can see on the screen. And or. There are many joining words, but you are so small, no? So for your standard, you are learning only the two joining words, and that is and or. This and or words, what they join? They join two words, group of words, two different group of words, and small sentences also. Yes, no, this is the work of this joining word. Many times you have read these words and or, but today you are learning that are called joining words. Now we'll see the use of and. We can use and to join words or sentences that are related each other. Means if we are joining the words that are related to each other, right? So for example, we'll see now. What you will see here, this is a, you have to tell. I will not. You keep the answer in your mind. This is one of the animal and this is the another animal. What are their name? Come on guys. Yes, first is sheep. Yes, you are right. First is a sheep. And what is the second? Second is horse. Now these two animals you have to join by using the word and, that is called joining word. How you will do? Come on, try. Yes, answer is sheep and horse. Got it? So we are joining two words or the two things by using the word and that is called joining word. And is a joining word and this and join sheep and horse. We'll see then another example. What is the another? What is this animal? What is this? Oh, easy. Both are the domestic animal, right? Come on. What is the name of the first? Dog. And what is the next? Cow. Again, you have to use what? And use and word and join the two words, right? So I know you will able to do. Yes. So it's a dog and cow. Got it. So dog and cow means you have joined two words by using and. Okay. What is this animal? Oh. And what is this? Okay, I will not tell the name. You have to guess. Now make sentence by your own. We see an elephant and bird. Oh, you are so intelligent. You made sentence also, right? So we can make sentence. Okay, by using the and word. So what if I ask you what do you see in this picture? You will say we see an elephant and bird. Yes, you are correct. Right? Now we'll move to the next. Now, what is the next adjoining word? That is or. And that, how will you use or in for joining the words or sentences, that we'll see now. Now, what is the difference between and or? That we'll find out first. So, when we want to show a choice between two things, we use or to join them. See, both the words and or are the joining words. But what is the difference? We can join two words by using and. But when we have a choice, we want to choose the thing from the given, that time we have to use or. We cannot use and. Okay. So here we'll see the example. Now what you can see here? Mogra. What is this? Rose. What is this? Sunflower. Now here you have to choose one of the flower. For example, take the flower mogra or rose, means any one you have to choose from this. So here you will use or word. You cannot say take the flower mogra and rose, means both you have to choose, but here one you have to choose. So or conjunction or the joining word is needed to choose the one thing from many or from two. So what you will choose? Come on, tell what you will choose. What you will choose? Mogra. Yes. So mogra is your choice. So you tick mark the mogra. So here you are using or word. Okay, we'll see the next example. Now here you have to choose joker or cow which is seen in the circus. Now here many animals are there in the circus. Dog is there, joker is there, cow is there, but which specially is seen in the circus? Come on, tell me. If we say circus, we click the photo of that. And who's that? Joker or cow? Joker. Or what? A frog. Come on, guess. Yes. And that is a joker. So here 4 pictures are given. From that 4 picture, you have to choose only one. And in such case, you are using which joining word? Or. Understood? So we'll move to the next. Now, next part of the lesson is join the words and make sentences. You have to join the words by using the joining word or conjunction and then make a simple sentence. So we'll see the few examples. Here you can see the birds. So how you will make this sentence? By joining the words. The crow and cock are birds. Yes. So this is called a sentence. The crow and the cock. 2 words joined by and. And with that we have made a simple sentence. The crow and the cock are birds. Okay. We'll move to the next example. What you can see here? So you can tell you can keep dog or cow. See, both are the domestic animal, but both you cannot keep. If both you want to keep, what you will write? You can keep dog and cow. But if one only thing you how to choose, then what you will write? You can keep dog or cow. So this choice is there. Okay, and whenever choice is there, we are using or joining word or the conjunction. Okay. Now here I'm giving the example of sentences. How to join the sentences, 2 sentences by using and. Okay. Raj has a car. This is the first sentence. And second sentence is Raj has a cycle. Now, these 2 sentences we have to join and make a one sentence. And when we'll join the sentence, we'll use a conjunction. And what that conjunction will use? And. When we are using and, that time the sentence will little different, because the 2 sentence will turn into one sentence. So we'll see the what answer. Raj has a car and bicycle, right? Raj has a car and a bicycle. Now here Raj has, okay, Raj has a. This part of the both the sentence is a common. So first sentence will pick up as it is. Raj has a car. And then we'll use and. That is a joining word. And the next sentence Raj has a, that will skip or remove that part and only will use cycle. Okay. Raj has a car and cycle. So this becomes only one sentence, right? So that by using conjunction word. Okay, connecting word. Understood? Like this, many sentences you have to do in your workbook also. Now, another example with or I'm giving here. Two sentences are there. You can use a pen. This is the one sentence, and second sentence you can use a pencil, right? So both the two sentences are there, and these two sentences we have to join by using or, because here is a choice. We have to give a choice, right? So how we will make? You can use a pen, and no, we are using or a pencil, right? Now here, what is the common part? You can use a. This is a common part, and that common part will not take while joining the sentences. So here is the answer. You can use a pen or a pencil, right? So this is the right answer. This way we will go on joining many sentences by using and are. Have you understood this lesson? So for more practice, your workbook is there. You have to complete the workbook. Bye.